Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a fun fall eyeshadow look using the new Good Sport eyeshadow palette from ColourPop, as well as the highlighter palette Crush on You. And then I also have the 5 new Supernova Shadows that they came out with. There's some gorgeous colors. Before we go into doing this eye look that I have on right now, I do want to swatch some of the colors for you. So the first thing that I want to swatch for you are the Supernova Shadows. These colors are really pretty. They're great for just in the crease or if you want to do it all over the eye, and they're not going to budge. So the first one I have is Rush Hour. It's kind of a goldish color. The next one I have is Juvenile. This one's more of a brownish shimmer, whereas the last one was more of a gold. It kind of has a rosy gold undertone. The next one we have is Party Posse. I'd say this color is more bronze. The next color we have is Plain Jane. This color reminds me kind of Copper Penny. And then the last color that we have is LOML. This color is gorgeous. It's more of a foiled burgundy. That color by itself would be gorgeous. These palettes are so much fun. They have different animal patterns on them. This one right here is the highlighter. This one is the eyeshadow. I'm going to start with the highlighter for swatches. So the first one is Talkin' Code. That one's really pretty. It's more of a white shimmer, kind of snowy. Then I've got Poker Face. This is the one that I'm actually wearing today. It's kind of a rose gold pinkish color. The next one is Drop a Pin. It's got a gold tone to it. And then the last one, which is Class Act. It's kind of a coppery, bronzish color. And then last but not least, definitely not least, is the eyeshadow palette Good Sport. On the inside there are 12 colors. They're bright, they're beautiful. For my eyes today, I only use these 4 in the middle. I definitely want to try out another eye look with the other colors in here because there's some really pretty shades. But I am going to go ahead and swatch them for you. And then once I swatch the colors for the eyeshadows, we'll get into the tutorial for that eye look I'm wearing right now. Alright, so the first color I have is Wild Out. This is in the top row in that corner. It's got a nice shimmered foiled color to it, kind of a goldish undertone. The next color is Hooky. This one is kind of like a burnt orange. The next one is Rookie. This one is really pretty. There's different colors of glitter. It's kind of a burnt orange with flakes of blue and purple in it. I wasn't really sure how it was going to look, but it went on so great even with the brush, and there wasn't a lot of fallout. And then the last color is Sista. It is a really pretty purple. The next color is Licious. It is kind of a goldy yellow, kind of a sunflower color. Then there is High Hopes. It's more of a pumpkin orange. It's really pretty. It's very light burnt orange. Then there is Reckless. It's a really deep burgundy. This is the color that I use on my outer corner. It's really good for building. It's not this dark on my eyes, but it definitely swatches bright. And then the last color in that row is Trooper. It's kind of a mustard yellow color. but it's pretty. I think it'd be really pretty on the eye. And then for the last row, we have the color Hooked. That one's more of a green with undertones of gold. Then we have Trophies. It's like an olive green. And then we have Ebb. This is a really pretty shimmery lime color. Is that one? Maybe. And the last color is Flow. Those colors are stunning, even if you only do 1 or 2 colors. But I'm really excited to play with this palette some more. And the eye that I did today, really bright, really fun, definitely getting me ready for fall. Kind of, if I was to put a Pumpkin Spice Latte on my face, this is what I think it would look like. But we do have a fall event tonight. There's a Oktoberfest very close to our house, so we're going to go to that. And I wanted something fun and festive and bright, very bright. But this palette was so much fun to play with. The highlighters are really nice. They don't really go on well with a brush. I did my highlighter with a sponge, as you're going to see later on in the tutorial. And then those Supernova shadows are beautiful.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain. 'Cause 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 'c Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now.
gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and mascara off camera, and I'll be right back. Now that I have my eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my highlighter. For my lips, I'm going to line them with the MAC Pro Longwear Lip Pencil in the color In Control. And then I'm going to go over it with the Urban Decay lipstick in the color Back Tour. This is and for the final step, we've got to use our setting spray. I've got the one from Urban Decay All Nighter. I really like doing my look with the eyeshadow palette and the highlighters. These are going to be great for a trip. I will probably have to grab another eyeshadow palette just because there isn't a light matte color that I could use to set my eye. So I did have to go into a different palette to do that today. But these will be great because there's so many bright colors, so many different looks that you can do with it. And I'm really glad that ColourPop came out with these for fall. This video is not sponsored. I bought all these items myself. I really like their colors. I really like their highlighters. They last for a long time. I do make sure to prep my eyes with eyeshadow primer, which definitely makes them last longer. But they're very pigmented. They are very smooth. They blend very easy. And overall, I really like both palettes as well as the 5 different shades that I got in the Supernova Shadows. If you want to see me do another look with this eyeshadow palette, leave comments below what colors you think I should use. If you want me to do an eyeshadow look with the Supernova Shadows, leave a comment below so I know which color you want me to use. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know you like the video, and I will keep putting out new videos each week. Again, thank you for stopping by, and until next time.